For quick voice recordings, it doesn't get any easier than this tool. This website, onlinevoicerecorder.com, allows you to do exactly that. You can record your voice, you can do small editing pieces, and then you download your MP3 file. And then you can put that anywhere you want, inside of any LMS, inside of an email, on a web page, anything. Here's how it works. Literally, you come to the website, click the record button. This is a test to record my voice on Online Voice Recorder and then download it. You can pause it if you want. If you are all done, you can click the stop button. Takes me to the second screen where I can choose to play. This is a test to record my voice on Online Voice Recorder and then download it. Okay, from here you can see I have some space here on the top, on the front and on the back. I can move these to get rid of that. Then I can save it. Then I'm presented with a screen as to where I want to save this MP3 file. I'll go ahead and put it on my desktop. And from here, I can play it. Let me go ahead and grab that file. Here's my file. I can double click it and it'll play for me. This is a test to record my voice on Online Voice Recorder and then download it. Okay, you get the idea. It'll play anywhere. So this file is just a file. It can be uploaded to any platform that you would like to allow your voice to be heard by your audience.